Hey friends, so today we are going to be talking about dry skin in the winter. Each and every one of us experience dry skin in the winter, and why does that happen? That happens because of the air. We have more dry air coming in, and as a result the dry air sucks out all the moisture from our skin. That is why even as much as you use a moisturizer, you still have to reapply because the dry air just sucks out the moisture, especially if you're dark skinned. I mean, I have experienced this. So normally during the summertime I use a lighter moisturizer, and during the winter time I use probably shea butter, cocoa butter, or maybe good oil to moisturize my body. And a friend of mine called me and she was like, so Yvonne, does your skin also get that dry during the like fall winter seasons? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, it's normal. A lot of people experience dryness around that time of the season. So my advice to you will be to drink lots of water, like drink double the amount of water you drink during summer. Drink lots of water to replenish the lost moisture, the lost hydration that you lose from the dry air. And also at night, if you're going to sleep, you can use a humidifier, even a diffuser. I have a diffuser. You don't necessarily have to add oils to it. Just put in water, good clean water, and that is all you need. A humidifier, a diffuser will work just as well. Just put it right next to your bed and let the moisture that comes out of it, let it just soak into the air in your room, and that will also help to keep you hydrated during the night. So I actually have some products here, and this is a new skincare brand that is exclusively sold at Sephora, and this is it's called Naturally Serious. So I have two of their products here. It's Naturally Serious. This is their gentle cream cleanser, and this is their hydra-plump mask. So I have oily skin, but I can still benefit from using these products, and this is generally for normal to dry skin. But around this time of the year, the colder seasons, yes, I can benefit from these products. So this is their cleanser. I love their cleanser. It's creamy. It's a cream cleanser, so it doesn't necessarily lather when you use it. Let's see, it doesn't okay, it doesn't necessarily lather when you use it, but it does give you that needed hydration and moisture that you need. Like, this is what it looks like. It's very creamy. It's very creamy, and it smells almost like a citrusy. It has a citrusy smell to it. And if you add water, it doesn't lather, so it's just cream. You just massage it into your skin for maybe a minute or two, and then after you rinse it off. So the ingredients in this cleanser it's naturally derived squalane. I have to look into that ingredient. And it also has the bisabolol, and it's supposed to help soothe and moisturize the look of skin. And it also has coconut oil, one of my favorite oils, to help nourish skin and melt away long wearing makeup. So it also is supposed to wash away makeup because of the coconut oil that it has. And it also has antimicrobial probiotics, which is supposed to restore skin's natural balance. And it also has pomegranate enzyme and licorice root extract, which is supposed to exfoliate skin and help support skin renewal for a smoother, brighter looking complexion. So if you have dry skin or normal skin or even oily skin, I use it and I don't see any adverse effects. It doesn't break me out or anything of that sort. Around this time of the year, season, winter, fall, when the weather is dry, I mean the weather is cold, the air is dry, you can benefit from using a cleanser like this. This is a cream cleanser, and it will work for your skin. And also the mask is called hydra-plumping mask. This is the hydra-plumping mask, and I have used it. I love it. It also goes onto the skin like a cream. It goes onto the skin like a cream, and it dries. It doesn't dry into like powdery form. It dries, and it dries like a cream. So it's very easy to take off. All you need is just a face towel. Just soak it up in water and just massage the product off your face, and that's it. I use this like once a week to, you know, replenish lost moisture that my skin might have experienced during the week. So this is what it looks like, and it's a cream. I mean, if you don't read like the mask here, you might think it's maybe a lotion, like a moisturizer, because it's very creamy, just like the cleanser, and it goes on very smoothly onto the skin. I love the way it feels on the skin, very smooth. And you leave it on for like, let me see, for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll generally leave it on for like 20 minutes, extra 5 minutes, and it dries, and it dries like creamy. It's so easy to take off, and after your skin is like moisturized, your skin is hydrated. I love the way my skin feels after I use this mask. So this, as I said, I use it once a week. And let's see what the ingredients are in here. With the mask, you have hyaluronic acid. Ooh, one of my favorite ingredients of all time. It's naturally derived hyaluronic acid, and it has kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is amazing. If you have oily skin, kaolin clay will do wonders for your skin because it absorbs excess oils and it pulls out impurities from your pores. And it also has oatmeal, it has shea butter, amazing. It has yeah, it has like rice bran in it, and that is supposed to help to brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So this has some great ingredients in here: hyaluronic acid, shea butter. Those are two amazing ingredients. Kaolin clay is another brilliant ingredient that you can use in your product. So guys, if you are battling with dry skin, even if you have oily skin, I mean oily skin, you're still prone to dryness during the winter time. I can attest to that. You're prone to dryness during the winter, you should look into these products, and they just might be what you need. So thank you guys. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.